Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, you are going to learn about earn money with the unused internet. If you're still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure to join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's get started with today's video without wasting too much of your time. It is so easy to make extra money these days, but you could do that even more easily by not doing anything. You can make money with any of your devices, that is macOS, PC, Android, Linux, or Raspberry Pi, by sharing your internet connection and letting it work for you. Of course, it depends on how you connect to the internet and how much bandwidth is needed in your area. These are the money I've made in the last 30 days by sharing my unused internet through the internet web sharing application. Earn app made $62.26 and charged $0.25 per gigabyte. IP Royal, $27 generated with a rate of 0.20 per gigabyte. Pakistan generated $22 and the rate is $0.10 per gigabyte. Peer to Profit brought in $0 because it does not work in my area. Compared to IP Royal and Pakistan, EarnUp has worked better for me. While Peer to Profit doesn't work at all in my area. In total, I have already generated over 100 in a month by sharing the internet. The only real work I had to do was sign up for the account and put it on my devices. As I wouldn't want my PC to be always on, I put these apps on my Raspberry Pi and keep them running all the time. It took me a while to do at first. You can also run things in the background on a PC or Android that isn't being used. So, if you have an internet plan with unlimited access and think that a lot of bandwidth is being wasted, this is the best way to make money. I think this is much easier than selling your idle computing power by crypto mining, which costs a lot by GPU and electricity. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.